In every forest path, in every quiet park, and even in the corners of our own backyards, there are fallen branches scattered across the ground, often overlooked as nothing more than debris to be swept away or burned. Yet within these simple forms of nature lies an extraordinary opportunity to turn imagination into income, to craft unique treasures that not only bring warmth, style, and personality into homes, but also contribute to a lifestyle rooted in sustainability, creativity, and purpose. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of profitable wooden treasures ideas by crafting warmth style from fallen branches. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. To the untrained eye, a fallen branch may look too irregular, too rough, or too insignificant to become anything of value. But for the dreamer, the maker, and the entrepreneur, each branch is a blank canvas, a piece of natural history ready to be reshaped into something that tells a new story. The beauty of working with fallen branches is that they carry both character and authenticity, their natural shapes and textures bringing a rustic elegance that cannot be replicated by machine-made materials. And when those organic elements are combined with imagination, they can be transformed into decor pieces, functional crafts, or even works of art that today's eco-conscious buyers are eager to welcome into their homes. Turning branches into income is not simply about the finished product, but about the entire journey of transformation, collecting what nature has already given, embracing its imperfections, and elevating its rawness into designs that feel intentional. Stylish and timeless. Each knot, curve, or uneven edge becomes part of the narrative, a reminder that beauty does not come from perfection but from authenticity, and it is this authenticity that people value most in their living spaces, especially as modern decor trends increasingly celebrate natural, sustainable, and handmade elements. Crafting with branches allows you to merge artistry with entrepreneurship in a way that feels deeply fulfilling, because what you are offering is more than just an object. You are offering a piece of nature, preserved and reshaped into something useful and beautiful. A piece that not only complements a room, but also tells the silent story of renewal and respect for the environment. Imagine shaping a branch into a rustic candle holder that radiates warmth in a cozy living room, or designing a wall-mounted coat rack where each natural hook carries its own unique form, or turning slender twigs into elegant frames that capture memories while showcasing the beauty of nature itself. And as you picture these creations, you also begin to see the potential for profit, because such pieces stand out in today's market where buyers are moving away from mass-produced sameness and toward decor that feels personal, meaningful, and sustainable. What makes this path particularly powerful for entrepreneurs and DIY enthusiasts is how accessible it is. Fallen branches are abundant, free, and endlessly varied, requiring more vision and creativity than financial investment, which means that anyone with passion, patience, and a willingness to learn can step into this world and begin crafting treasures that carry both emotional and economic value. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For beginners, it is an inviting entry point because branches are forgiving materials, where irregularities and natural flaws become assets rather than mistakes, allowing one to experiment without fear of failure. And for those with entrepreneurial ambition, branches provide a low-cost foundation to build a profitable business model that aligns perfectly with the growing movement towards sustainability and eco-conscious living. Buyers are not just purchasing wooden objects, They are supporting a lifestyle that values repurposing, respecting resources, and embracing nature, and this deeper connection elevates the worth of every crafted branch, making it not only decor but also a statement piece that carries meaning into a home. In this way, turning imagination into income through fallen branches is both a creative outlet and a business opportunity that adapts seamlessly to modern consumer values. And as more individuals seek to fill their homes with warmth, personality, and style, the demand for handmade, sustainable items only continues to rise. The transformation of fallen branches into treasures also mirrors the transformation within the maker, because as you learn to see beauty in what is overlooked, you develop a mindset of resourcefulness, resilience, and appreciation. Traits that serve not only your craft, but your entrepreneurial journey as well. Each project becomes more than a product. It becomes proof that what others dismiss as useless can, with imagination, become profitable, and this lesson extends beyond woodcraft into the very essence of entrepreneurship. The endless possibilities of crafting with branches ensure that creativity is never limited. From minimalist decor pieces that highlight the rawness of wood to intricately designed functional items that blend art with utility. The potential is only bound by the maker's vision, and every new creation has the chance to connect with a buyer who sees in it not just an object, but an expression of style and purpose. In the hands of a creative entrepreneur, a bundle of fallen branches can be transformed into a thriving collection of marketable treasures that resonate with people searching for authenticity and charm. And in this transformation lies the powerful equation of simplicity turned into beauty, and beauty turned into profit. By embracing this craft, you are not just building items, you are building a bridge between nature and modern living, between creativity and commerce, and between sustainability and style. Each branch you pick up becomes part of a larger story, the story of a maker who dared to see potential in the overlooked, the story of a buyer who chose meaning over mass production, and the story of a movement that values both artistry and responsibility. As this story unfolds, you realize that imagination truly has the power to generate income when guided by vision, effort, and respect for nature. And that what begins with a single fallen branch can grow into a profitable path filled with endless opportunities to inspire, to create, and to thrive. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable wooden treasures ideas by crafting warmth style from fallen branches. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.